Hello everyone. This is the Digital TV Source YouTube channel. My name is Eric. Yes, Eric, aka the Digital TV Geek. And today I got a little something for you. We all know about Morpheus TV, right? Well, we all know as well that Morpheus TV, is slowly winding down, and it's still up and running. Let's take a look before I make myself a liar. Movies trending. Equalizer 2. I think this is out on DVD right now, I believe. Credibles. Yeah, let's go with Equalizer. Alright. Now I have this set up automatically for autoplay, so it's going to pull right on up. And it does. Quick, fast, and hurry. Loading. Bang, bang, boom. There you go. Still up and running. For now. Let's go TV shows. Trending. Let's go to Flash. Let's go to the most recent episode. And again, I had this autoplay. And I'll show you how in a little bit. Bing, bang, boom. There she go. Alright. Again, this is Morpheus TV. And we're going to get out of here. And I'm going to show you how you get the next evolvement of Morpheus TV. Just going to go to my store here. 812-87997. 812-87997. You can pause here if you want to take that down. And the pin will be 1969. 1969. 1969. Alright. I come to find out the pictures here for the APKs don't load up. So dismiss yourself out of the newsletter. So but everything's there. And I'm using both my NVIDIA Shield remote and the air mouse as well for this, okay? And after filming this video, I believe I have about 36 APKs in here. I'm trying to keep it light and tight for the most part. And update it as well for you. It's Morpheus, and there we go. Morph TV. Once Morpheus goes down, I'll get rid of this. But for right now, we're gonna rock with Morph TV, and you'll see how this looks. And it's pretty similar, if not the same type of situation. Another developer's taking it over, and Morpheus is going to be Morph TV. And there we go. Install. Take it pretty quick. I think I have. No, I'm about to find out. Okay, let's. Okay, done. Alright. Then we're going to back on out of here. Yes. Back on out. And we're going to add this to our first row up there for apps. Going here. Now, don't be alarmed if you do not see the actual, again, icon picture for this. Sometimes it don't come out as such, come to find out, but this is one of the cases here for this. So, alright, let's open it up. Hopefully the next update it will. And you're gonna allow, and this is the newest update. We're gonna update it. And a lot of APKs I have in my FileLinked store there are pretty much updated. If they're not, I didn't. Yeah, here we go. Let's go to settings. If they're not updated, they usually update on their own, but I try to keep them as updated as possible. I'm so busy these days, so I try at least go in there at least once, maybe twice a week to make sure everything is up to date for everybody. And if it's not, just let me know. Wow, I missed a few of my unknown applications here. But there you go. See, that's what it looks like once it does populate the icon. But alright. Let's go to movies. Trending. Let's take a look at Equalizer again. And as you see, this one is not autoplay here. So just downloaded, updated it. So, but I'll show you shortly how to do that. Make it just a one-click, one-play for you. Let's find a good one here. You can wait till it automatically populates so it gets all around to the red, but that's up to you. You can stop it and pick something for yourself. Bing, bang, boom. And it pulls up quick with the subtitles. I think I had to watch Equalizer 2 again. Watched last time it was on cam. It's pretty good, but I think I would definitely watch it again. Alright. Don't worry about that update there. Let's do what I had to do. Okay, you're going to enable your updates for your movies. And how you want to do it. Full 80, 1080. I'm just going to keep it standard. And you do the same as well with your host. Very fastest source. Yes, click that. Again, you do this for your TV shows, for quality. Again, I'm going to keep it standard HD. Even though this is on my my shield runs pretty good, pretty fast. My internet sucks, so let's keep it standard so I can push on out. Alright, subtitles. That looks pretty good for me. Enable subtitles. Automatically download. I'll keep that. Again, you can mess around with this to your own liking, how you want to do it yourself. Providers. I'm not gonna mess with this. I'll leave it be. It's worked for me so far. Sources. Verify sources. Timeouts. Resolvers. Again, I'll keep this as is. It's working for me. Downloads. I'm not messing with that. Torrents. Nope. Enable that. Okay, that looks good. Keep okay. Notifications. Show main notifications. If you're using, no, I'm not using Chromecast. Alright. That's set. Again, don't worry about that update there. See, it already has updated, as you see down there to your. So that's a little glitch there. Alright, let's go to Flash again. Episode 5. And Ripper's up what? Dolled up, right? Yeah, all dolled up. Again, this one's going to pull right on up. Since it's one click autoplay right now. 720. Bing, bang, boom. And I got my subtitles in there as well. So, alright. Okay. And let's take a little more around here. You know I gotta do my Batman search. So let's do it. All right. Use the video remote, and I use the air mouse for that. Backwards of me, but oh well. All right, let's pull up the original Batman 1966. Man, they had 34 episodes back then. Sheesh. It's a hell of a season. First episode here, pilot episode. See how we luck out here. See what kind of quality, even better. Searching for best source. This might take a minute here, so be patient, guys. As I tell myself that as well. All right, all right. Batman is drugged by Molly. Even way back then they had some Molly, huh? Precursor for the drugs. Oh wow. Come on. Again, guys. Suck like over 50 years ago here, so be patient. Unable to find source. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Okay. Open low usually has some good things in here. Found 720 Blu-ray. Not bad. Bang, bang, boom. Not bad, not bad. Over 50 years and still looks pretty good. Half a century, not bad. Looks good. Alright, let's get out of here. We're gonna get the copyright strike. Okay, guys, so keep in mind, Morpheus TV is going to morph into Morph TV in the meantime, between time. So keep this on your Android device. Keep on watching some great free content. So please, guys, tell me down below if you like this, how's it working for you, what have you. I think it's working pretty good. A few adjustments here and there. But in the meantime, between time, guys, keep on loving each other. Please to like, comment, and share, so I can keep on bringing this content from me to you. But keep on loving each other, everyone, and happy streaming. Later.